Morning, friends. Today is Wednesday, April 8th. Today is our last day of virtual school until April. Good morning, friends. How are you? Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. And guess what? Today is the last day of our virtual learning until April 21st. We are going on spring break starting at the end of the day today. So, I want to remind you or encourage you to go back and look at our old videos of story time. Go back and look at our videos for large group with Miss McNair. Do brain dances. I still want you to still keep up learning, continue learning while we are on break and practice writing your name every day, okay? Also, I want you to enjoy your time with your family and have a good time. You don't have to do schoolwork every day, but I still want you guys to make sure you're reading every day, okay? And make sure you're writing your name because we know that when we practice, it makes perfect, okay? So, we're going to talk about our question of the day today. So, I'm going to turn my camera around to the chart. So, our question of the day, of course, we are still in our fall study. And the question of the day is, which ball is smaller? So we have a picture of meatballs. Number one is meatballs. Number two is football. So which one is smaller? Can you see the meatballs? Let me move my camera a little bit closer. Can you see those meatballs? Do you like meatballs? I like meatballs. So which ball is smaller, meatballs or football? So you answer the question of the day. You tell mommy or daddy to text Miss Charles your answer, okay? All right, friends. So I'll see you at story time, okay? All right, bye.